Nothing is impossible if you really work hard. Hi, this is Kalpana Reddy from Krushi High School. Today I am here to discuss about class 6, chapter 6, that is from food gathering to food growing. Okay children? So before moving into the class, I would like to wish you all a happy and a healthy morning children. So here generally what do you mean by gathering? What do you mean by gathering? Gathering, if you take a word, it means what? Plucking things from here and there, okay, or collecting things from here and there. So gathering means collecting things from here and there which are scattered, so you're collecting and keeping with you, or you're like I would say, like you're gathering or you're collecting, okay, it's one another same, right? So like for example, like if I say that, like if somebody has, for example, if your mom is alone at home, and if someone has come, a guest has arrived at your home, and there is no vegetables available in the house, and there is no one to get it, so whatever is available in the house, whatever, two brinjals and one tomato, one carrot and all, so what she will do, she will collect everything, she will put it in a like one container, and she will cook as a vegetable rice or whatever it is, and that you will find the most delicious food that you ever tasted. Okay children, so this is a fact. So in the same way here also, so the early man, he started collecting the things from here and there. So the early man, he used to wander like a planet from place to place. So like how the planet, it rotates each and every moment. Okay, in the same way, the early man, he used to wander from place to place in search of food. Is that clear to you, is that clear to you, children? So can you see the stooping stage of man? So, do you know the stooping stage of man, children? What exactly? I'll show you. I'll share the image. Just be connected with me. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, yes, children. So here I've shared the image. You can see. Yes. So this part, right, children? So here, if you see, so the like this picture shows the like images of early man. So they didn't dress up like us, how we are, like I mean say dressing up now, or the type of food what we are eating, the lifestyle what we are leading, or the advanced technology what we are using. So in the stone age, or in the early age, these all things were not there. So the early man was like this only. So even they don't know how to, they were not aware of anything, they were equal to animals, they were equal to, almost equal to animals. So this is the stooping stage of early man. Here you can see, okay, this is, okay, this is the stooping stage of early man, right, children? Is that clear to you? So the early man in this picture, you can see they used to wander here and there. They used to wander here and there. Is that clear to you, children? Okay. Then what next? So now, okay, we learned that they used to wander here and there. So they started moving in a groups. They started moving in a group. So they found, okay, one person, then they became close to each other, and they found that, okay, we are equal. So they started moving in a groups, and they don't know that there is something there is something which tells about the hungerness or the starvation. But they don't know that they should eat this, means this particular shit they used to, they should eat, or they should have to, I mean to say, to feed their stomach. Okay, is that clear to you, children? So they were not aware of all these things. They don't know what is, what to eat to, feed their stomach and all, children. Understood? So but after that, slowly, as the time, over a period of time, they learned everything slowly, children. Okay, so I mean to say, we know that man is a social animal, isn't it? So the power, okay, the thinking power, okay, the that means the man started thinking, the man started thinking. Is that clear to you, children? Okay, so for example, like if I say that slowly if they started, like I mean to say, understanding the nature, they slowly slowly started understanding the nature. For example, if you see like I mean to say baby, a baby if, a baby, if it is like I mean say if a baby is crawling, and if you have kept a container of hot water, so first time it goes and touch, isn't it? Then what she will feel, she'll feel like very hard, and she'll realize that she should not, or he or she should not touch that. Okay, so second time also by mistake he or she goes and touch that, but the third time she will come to know that okay, this is the dangerous thing and we should not touch because it will hurt him or her. Is that clear to you, children? In the same way, these people also started observing the things. So these early mans also started observing the things. So we know that the man is the best creation of God out of all the creations. So man is the best creation of God, isn't it, children? So here what happened? So like for example, like it's all perception, children. So they might have wandering here and there, and in between they found some creepers or the fruits, or like I may say any vegetable or anything in a like a forest, and they might have ate it, and after eating it they might have felt it very tasty. Okay, then they thought that okay, this can be eaten, this can be eaten for like this can be eaten, like for that they might have thought. Okay, and they started collecting those things. Okay, and after moving to like moving ahead, after like at some place they found something else, which they again they plucked it and they had it. There they found it little bit bitter. Then they realized that okay, we should not eat this one, this is, it tastes very bitter, that means it's not fit for eating. Okay, so like this they started thinking, children, and they started like observing or like noticing the things. Okay, and like for example, if we talk about the shelter, okay, if we talk about the shelter, then sometimes when it's too hot, sometimes like by fluke they might have sat under the tree and they felt very cool and pleasant. So then they might have realized that what it is, okay, if we sit under the tree or if we have anything a shed over our head, okay, then it will help out and it will give like it gives a shelter, and it will like it gives a like pleasant climate. Okay, and sometimes for example all of a sudden it start raining and they moved into the cave, and there they thought that okay, we can save ourselves by staying in, or by staying in caves. Okay, so we can save ourselves from drenching in the rain if we stay in caves. Okay, like that they start observing the things. All of a sudden everything happened, children. So there was no plan, randomly everything happened, and out of the experience what they had, they learned many things. Okay, children, out of the experience they had, they learned many things, children. Is that clear to you, children? So slowly they started developing. I'll share the images, children. I have few slides for you. I'll just share it. Yeah, one second. Yeah, here see. So the example what I have given. Now here the baby is crawling. So it touches. The second time also it goes and touches. And third time it will realize, the baby will realize that it is dangerous and we should not touch that. Okay. So here you can see. Yes. So okay. So here if you see that, yes, so the man started hunting animals. Okay, so man started hunting animals in a group. So if they started like wild animals started hunting wild animals, and if the lion or like whatever the wild it crawls, or if somebody dies, then then they might have come to know that okay, these are the dangerous animals and we should not go nearby to those animals. Is that clear to you, children? Means with the experience only they learned all these things. These all are the perception, children. Okay, yes, yeah, here see. So this animal, see, now they are in the groups. Yes, they are in the groups, they are hunting. Yes, they are hunting, but like what happened, so now they went very close to the wild animal, and when it crawled, on, like when it sorry, not crawled, when it pounced on them, so and it got hurted, then they came to know that we should not go very close to the wild animals. Then they might have come contact with the cat. So cat meow. So the cat did not damage or did not hurt anyone. So they thought that okay, this is not dangerous. We can come close to these type of animals, we can domesticate these type of animals. Okay children, so in this way they learn many things. So there are different stages children, there are different stages. So out of that we learn like paleolithic age, that means stone age we'll learn today. Okay children, so rest of the stages we'll learn in the next session children. Okay, so here also this is the paleolithic stage only children, where the early man started what children like observing and learning the things by the experience. Snake, they might have seen the snake crawling. Okay, and it bit on someone, then it got poisonous. So then they thought that okay, we should not come in contact with this type of snakes. Then they saw the birds, they might have saw the birds, and they thought they might have thought flying like the birds, and they fell down. Then it got hurted, then they came to know that okay, we can't fly like a bird. So in this way they learned many things, in this way they learned many things only by the experience. Is that clear to you children? So they learned many things only with the experience only children, and these all are the perceptions. Okay, is that clear to you? What is so paleolithic, what do you mean by paleolithic? Paleo means what children? Old. Lithic means stone. So in during the paleolithic stage we did not have anything. Okay, so slowly they experienced everything, like about the, as I explained, about the food, shelter and everything, about the water also. So they thought that okay, after drinking some water, they found some water in small streams, and they might have inhaled, like consumed it, and they, after that they noticed that okay, if we drink the water, it will quench the thirst. Okay, it will quench the thirst. In this way they might have experienced, or they thought that okay, we can use water for quenching our thirst. Okay children, so animals, as I said that if they go close to the wild animals, and it might have pounced on like someone, and then they realize that okay, these are the dangerous animals. In the same way everything happens slowly. Okay children, about the snakes or about whatever it is, initially they moved on children, slowly they moved on to the next stage. Is that clear to you? So with this I'm just going to wind up the class children. Okay, in the next session we are going to learn about the other stages of the uh, um, early man. Is that clear to you children? And homework I'm going to share in the WhatsApp and the Google Classroom. Kindly finish it and upload in the Google Classroom, and when you're uploading, kindly mention your name and the session name in the comment box, right? Okay, thank you for being connected with me children. Bye bye.